In this video, I'm going to go through 5 different checkmate scenarios. The first is what's called the back rank mate. So here it's white's move, and we can see that the black king is stuck behind those 3 pawns. It can't move off that back rank. So what white can do is, if white plays rook to e8, then that's checkmate because the king can't move off that back rank. The next is what's called the supported piece mate. So since it's white's move to play, if white plays queen to g7, the king, this is checkmate because the king can't take the white queen, because if it did, then it would still be in check by the knight. So here, king clearly can't move anywhere, so this is checkmate. The next is a checkmating sequence with 2 rooks. So here it's black's move to play. So king is going to move to f7, and we're just going to sweep through with the rook. So king, the whole concept is make it so the king can't move to the left. We force the king to the right. So king moves to the right again to get out of check. Sweep the rooks over. King again can't move to the left. King moves there, and finally that's checkmate. Another checkmating scenario is what's called the smothered mate. So if we play knight to f6, here the king can't move anywhere, and this is checkmate because if you move this pawn to take the knight, then there's a discovered check right there. Then the king is in check by the rook, which is why this is checkmate. So this last scenario, I'll pose a question. If we play queen to b7, does that lead to checkmate? So I'm not saying is that immediately checkmate, but does that lead to checkmate? So pause the video and determine, does that lead to checkmate? So now I'll go through this. So if we play queen to b7, king can't take because there's pressure by this the bishop on f3. So what needs to happen is black's going to take the queen, but white can move this h1 rook up. That's checkmate because black can't move his king, and if black were to move the rook up here, then the king would still be in check by the bishop. So yes, that the queen taking the pawn on b7 does lead to checkmate. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to put out more chess content going into the new year. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.